On a sunny morning in the countryside, the little white dog Bichon Frisé woke up full of energy. He wagged his fluffy tail and looked around the farm, ready for a new adventure. In the yard, Henrietta the chicken was struggling to carry a big basket of corn. She looked tired, and some of the corn was falling on the ground. Bichon Frisé ran to Henrietta and barked cheerfully, "Don't worry, I'll help you." Together they pushed and carried the heavy basket toward the barn. Later, the water bucket was too heavy for Henrietta to lift. Bichon Frisé bravely grabbed the handle with his teeth and carried it across the yard while Henrietta guided him. At the end of the day, the farm was clean, the animals were fed, and the plants were watered. Henrietta hugged Bichon Frisé with her wings and said, "You are my hero."